Hello everybody, welcome to another Playing with Drawing. All right, we have another nature photo, some flowers I took a picture of out and about. The original photo will be over on Patreon for those who want to download it and use it in some form or fashion. And plus, I do really appreciate the support if you can give it over there. I am going to, for the most part, just look at the photo and not be too concerned about being exacting and precise, because I want this to be an expression of creativity and not an exact perfect picture of the photo. That's what cameras are for. So anyway, so we're starting out as usual with a pencil. I don't know what kind of flower this is. If you do know, leave something down below. I know it was pretty. I know it was easy to get a pretty good close-up shot of it. And honestly, I'm still sick, so I know it's the only thing I have the brain power for. So there you go. All right, that looks pretty good. I am going to work with my brown pen. This is a 0.5 uni pen fine liner, and it is color sepia. And I'm going to go over some of the lines that I like, the way they turned out. Add some more definition to certain marks that I made with the pencil. Before we add color. I hope you all are having a great month and a great week. And that you find time to do the things that you love. Okay, at the bottom, I always write something, so okay. And usually it's somewhat snarky, as you can tell. Ha. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is mix up something that is a little bit yellow, but a little bit like muted down pale yellow. Does that make sense? So I'm adding some yellow to one of my mixing spots, and then I'm going to add some white. And then I'm going to also dab off the brush a bit. And I want to just use it like to this center part. And a little bit to parts of the leaves. I'm sorry, petals. Okay, and then there's a green. We're going to use this green over here, mixed with a little bit of the yellow. Dab off some of it. While things are still wet, you can add more color. Okay, and in the background is just leaves and foliage, and so I'm going to try just making this green here a little greener, more olivey actually toned. And we're going to put some of it around the flower and then spread it out. So with watercolor, you want to start light, and you can always make it darker, but you can't really make it lighter. Like that's probably a little bit too light, too dark, but it is what it is now, so I'm gonna just leave it. These drawings make me happy, and they're perfectly imperfect, and you know what? I'm okay with that. So that's it for this week. Just a quick little easy something in my sketchbook. That's cute and I like it. I'm very happy. I hope that you guys can find something to do creatively that make you happy too. And if you do something inspired by this or one of my other photos, I sure would appreciate it if you tag me in the post of it. If you share it on social media, I'd love to see what you're doing. So yeah, and support you as much as you all support me. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Leave questions, comments, or concerns down below. And the most important thing, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.